now you have already learned about the units of capacity. In this lesson, you will learn how to convert non-metric units of capacity. Let's first look at the unit conversion table for capacity in the non-metric system. So we've got 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 pint is equal to 2 cups, and 1 cup is equivalent to or equal to 8 fluid ounces. And you'll see fluid ounces abbreviated as FL period for fluid and then OZ period for ounces. In this table, gallon is the biggest unit and the fluid ounce is the smallest unit. Don't confuse fluid ounce with ounce. Ounce is a unit of measure. Fluid ounce is a unit of capacity. You cannot convert a unit of mass to a unit of length or a unit of capacity. Let's take a look at a simple example for conversion that we'll work out by following several steps of converting using this conversion table of the non-metric system. So in our example, we are asked how many fluid ounces are in 1 gallon. How many fluid ounces are in 1 gallon? So we're being asked to convert from 1 gallon to the number of fluid ounces that are in that gallon. So if we follow the conversion table, we're going to start here with the gallon and we're going to work our way down to the fluid ounces until we've converted our gallon to fluid ounces. We can easily find the answer following these simple steps. So first we want to make the equivalent of 1 gallon equaling 4 quarts. So we'll begin there with our first unit conversion of 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. And since 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, we can write 1 gallon as 4 times 2 quarts and gives us 8 pints. So 1 gallon equals 8 pints. Since 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts and 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, we can multiply the 4 times 2 to get 8 pints. So we have 1 gallon equaling 8 pints. But since we want the answer down here in fluid ounces, we have to convert pint to smaller units and keep working our way down to fluid ounces. So since 1 pint equals 2 cups, then 1 gallon, which equals 8 pints, we can multiply 8 times 2 in order to get the number of cups. So 1 gallon is equal to 16 cups. So as we work our way down, 1 gallon, 4 quarts times 2 to get the pints, 8 pints times 2 to get the cups. And so we want to make our way down one more step here to get from cups to fluid ounces. And since 1 cup is equal to 8 fluid ounces, we now multiply 16 times 8 to get 1 gallon is equal to 128 fluid ounces. If we wrote all of these out in one long equivalent sentence, we would write 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts is equal to 8 pints is equal to 16 cups is equal to 128 fluid ounces. So that's our final answer there of 1 gallon being converted and broken down into the smallest measurement here on our chart of fluid ounces. And although we solved this problem using many small steps, you should try to remember these numbers and learn them by heart. Now let's look at an example of a mixed unit measurement conversion. So this problem asks us to convert 2 gallons 50 fluid ounces to fluid ounces. So we're converting from a mixed unit measurement of gallons and fluid ounces to just simply a 1 unit measurement of fluid ounces. So first we're going to begin by converting the 2 gallons into fluid ounces. So as soon as we convert the 2 gallons into fluid ounces, then we can just add the 50 fluid ounces to what we get, and all of our measurements will be in fluid ounces. So we know already from our last problem that 1 gallon equals 128 fluid ounces. So if 1 gallon equals 128 fluid ounces, then 2 gallons would be equal to 128 times 2 fluid ounces, or 256 fluid ounces. So we've got 2 gallons equaling 256 fluid ounces. So the 2 gallon part of our measurement we know is equal to 256 fluid ounces. And now we just need to add the 50 fluid ounces to that. So we're now going to add our 50 fluid ounces to have a total of 256 plus 50, which equals 306 fluid ounces. So that is our final answer here, is 306 fluid ounces. We converted 2 gallons, 50 fluid ounces, to a single unit measurement of all fluid ounces. The 2 gallons converted to 256 fluid ounces. We added the 50 fluid ounces, and we have a total of 306 fluid ounces. I'm going to make that a nice and neat answer so we can see clearly 306 total fluid ounces.